This 560 is in absolute need of a paint correction. As you can tell, this paint is pretty jacked. I'm pretty sure it's just abrasion from stuff sitting on top of it. We got some rotary trails, all sorts of damage. Oof, look how deep those are. My goodness, those are bad. Let's take a look at the trunk lid. There is some water streaks on here still, but rotary trails, rotary trails. Whew. This thing is worse than I thought it was. We're finding out together. Oh yeah, she bad. With here, we got some deep marks right there, deep abrasions there, and all over there. This paint is way worse than I thought it was, but I know. Whew, look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to measure the hood at least. Okay. So we're gonna work on the hood first. We're gonna start with a light compound just to see how workable this damage is. We're just gonna take HD1 with the rotary real quick. I just want to see how easy this is to remove, because this is aftermarket paint. It could be hard as nails, it could be soft as butter. Okay, looks like it actually took out a decent amount of damage. Not everything, but a decent amount. Yeah, it took out probably about 50% of it. We're gonna have to sand this damage out. So let's do that. Instead of wasting a bunch of time compounding. A couple sprays. So we'll just do a little test spot here where the damage was. That is looking pretty clear, but rubbing alcohol. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm super happy with it.